making tacos for Tuesday. We have to wash our hands. Time to cut tomatoes. We'll do chicken bake. Put the beef in the pan. Brown the beef good. Add some season. Put the frying pan. Then put chicken. You need a little bit of season there. Like that. Time to make the tacos. Just for me. Now cheese. Now the noodles. Nuggets. Now we wrap up. That's how you make the taco. And it won't stop. You're so excited. I guess how to do